So students, I think so everyone has taken out to your page number 113. Everyone has taken out to page number 113. So the name of our chapter is Introduction to PowerPoint 2013. So firstly, what do you mean by PowerPoint? So here, before starting this chapter, I want to give you a brief idea of your PowerPoint. So students, PowerPoint is a software, okay? PowerPoint is a software where we can create a presentation, okay? So what is a PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a software where we can create any sort of presentation that you like. Clear? Now here PowerPoint, here there are many versions of your PowerPoint. It is not only your 2013, you will get many versions of your PowerPoint. It may be your 2021, it may be your 2012. Okay, there are many versions of your PowerPoint. In this chapter, we will get the version of your 2013. This much is clear, students. We will get the version of 2013. Now, as I have said you, what is a PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a software where we can create a presentation. So, I want to give you one example. Now see, for example, if you want to show there is an accident between a car and a motorbike. Okay, if you want to show there is an accident between a car and a motorbike. Now, to show that particular accident, you have to create what? You have to create a presentation. How that particular car and how that particular motorbike has hit together each other, has been collapsed between each other. Yes or no? To make it a particular presentation, you have to create different sorts of slides. Yes or no? You have to create here different sort of slides. Now, if I am saying about slides, now what do you mean by slide? You can say that slide is an individual page of your presentation. Individual means what? Individual, it means your single one. Okay, here slide, it means your individual page, a single page of a presentation. Now I think so everyone is watching movies, okay, or everyone is in the movie. You are seeing that you are seeing different types of action movie. Yes or no? So all these things are created by what? Created by your presentation. Okay, here firstly it is made in a presentation. Now if you want to show there is an accident between a car and a motorbike or whatever, okay, or any sort of vehicle you like, you want to show, you have to show firstly in your presentation. You have to show in your PowerPoint. Clear? As I have said you before, what is a PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a software where we can create a presentation. Clear, students, this much? No sort of doubt regarding PowerPoint? You have understood the meaning of PowerPoint? Now students, let's come to the introduction part, the first paragraph. Okay, the first paragraph. A presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. The most common and user-friendly software used for creating a presentation is PowerPoint. Now here what it is given, a presentation is a systematic display of your information on a particular topic. Now as I have given you the example of an accident between your car and motorbike. Okay. Now you have to show this one in what? In your series of your slide. Yes or no? That one we have to create a particular what? We have to create a particular presentation. Okay, we have to create a particular presentation. For that reason, there is a topic that I have said you about an accident. Okay, as I have given you one sort of example. Clear this much? So then you see the most common and user-friendly software used for creating a presentation is PowerPoint. So all this presentation where you are going to create in your PowerPoint. Okay, this sorts of presentations you are going to create in your PowerPoint. This much is clear, students? Then see in the second paragraph. In PowerPoint, a presentation is created in the form of a series of slides in which text, images and sound can be added. Now, when you are creating a presentation, we are going to create a presentation how? In the form of your slide. In the form of your slide. And in that particular presentation, we can create text, we can make text, means you can write words, alphabets, Then you can give images. Images means what? We can add pictures. Then we can also add sounds. We can also add different types of sound. As I have given you the example of an accident. When there is an accident, there is a sound. Yes or no? So you can also add a sound effect according to your choice. This much is clear, students? Now slide are the individual page of a presentation that can be displayed one by one on a screen. So here, what is a slide? You can say slide is an individual page of a presentation. Individual means what, students? Individual, it means your single. Here individual, it means your single. So here slides are the single page of a presentation that is displayed on our screen one by one. Now, as I have given you the example of an accident between a car and your motorbike. Now, how many types of this one slide you can create and your wish? You can create here 10 slides. You can create here 6 slides, to show there is a collapse between your car and your motorbike. So creation of your slide, it totally depends upon your choice how much slides you want to create for your presentation. It depends upon your choice how much slides you want to create for your particular presentation. So this much is clear, students, about a PowerPoint slide. No doubt regarding these 2 points. So students, again I am warming it up. So what I have said you, what is a PowerPoint? You can say PowerPoint is a software which is used for creating a presentation. Yes or no? Then again, what is a presentation? You can say presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. It can be any topic you like. It may be you want to show in a presentation an accident between a car and motorbike, or else you want to show a scenario that there is an earthquake where the buildings are falling, where the buildings are falling down, So you can show here different types of scenario in a particular presentation, and that can be available only in your PowerPoint. Clear? Then students, what I have said about slide. What is a slide? A slide is an individual page of a presentation that can be displayed on our one by one on our screen. Clear, students? And in PowerPoint, what we can do? In PowerPoint, we can add images, we can add text, we can add sounds, We can add all these effects in our presentation. Clear, students? No doubt regarding this? So students, this much I have explained you today. In my next class, I will explain you about how we can start a PowerPoint in 2013. Clear, students? So that's all for today. And as your homework, what you are going to do? You are going to go through the page that I have explained to you. You are going to go through it very properly. So students, now I am winding up my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.